Okay, hey guys, SpencerCat93 here, or hello once again, audience, and today I am going to be doing another Nerf video, but today I have applied to my Nerf guns the illegal mod. Now this originated from Gun vs. Gun, but I've taken it on to my own hands, so I guess let's get, so I guess first I'll just, you know what, instead of just taking it from this, I guess I'll just take it from this. Actually, how about we just use this Nerf gun? So these are illegal modded bullets, ready, so it's a little wet, which is weird, probably moisture. So they're in. See, I cock it. You're not jamming the gun or anything, and I'll be right back with you. Let's do this. Okay, let's try out this gun. I'm so worried. I haven't done this before. This is my first time testing it. But let's try this. And whoa, that was crazy. Now the next blaster I'm going to be using is the Nerf Retaliator, as you see right there. Okay, not really, but anyways, who really cares? But it's the Nerf Retaliator. But I've added a motor to this, so it should shoot like rapid fire, but also like something. But and also don't forget it has a illegal mod in it, so let's get this up and running, shall we? Okay, let's get this bad boy up. Let me just real quick cock it. See, it is cocked, and let's get this up and running, shall we? Okay, let's see. Wow, that was really awesome. Let's actually try that again. But instead of this time, well, I have to reload, of course. Let me just... You ready? Try this again. Doesn't have that much kick to it, to be honest. Yeah, see my cat. I like playing Minecraft, I'm sorry. See that fist in the background? Yeah, I love playing Minecraft. Let's just say that. So now what gun should we use? I think the next gun we should use is the Nerf Mega Madness. This is going to be probably a lot. So let's do this, shall we? Because I love you. Okay, well, let's do this in the hallway. Meet you guys there. Okay, so this is a blaster. And this is how it shoots with normal darts, normal Mega darts. So pretty awesome. So how about you illegal nice darts? Let's try this out. Okay, so here's with the illegal modded dart. It's gonna be crazy. I wonder what the sniper's gonna be like. I'm gonna have to test that one out. Okay, so let's do this. And the bullet fell out. Let's just reload that in. Same as those it is jammed, so I'm just gonna take this, put them nice and shiny. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this blaster is like when we shoot it with the illegal modded dart. Ready, and... Whoa! Where did that go? Oh my god! These are awesome, I swear, these are awesome. That was amazing, I swear. Something I really want to try out now is, you know what, let's shoot this 2 more times. Great. Hey, you know what? I really want to use a sniper. I wonder what the sniper would be like. That would be crazy. Now, because these are Nerf guns, I kind of changed up the illegal mod from gun versus gun, so it doesn't make any bullet holes or anything, or dart holes or anything. Just does the impact, but okay, I'll be right back with the sniper. Okay, guys, so I got the Nerf long strike. Wait, no. What is it called? I think it's called the Nerf long strike. It's a sniper. I believe it is the Nerf long strike, but I can't really remember. Or the name's something like that. I don't know. But I'm assuming, or I assume this is going to be a loud one. Powerful sniper. Like, so I guess let's just try this out because I'm really willing to. Let's go. Okay, let's shoot this. And one more time. Oh my god, that was powerful. Oh my god. Just load that back up. It's illegal modded parts are perfect for scaring people. So I'm gonna go get another gun. I'm not sure which one, but I'm gonna go get it. So be right back. Okay, so now I got the Nerf N-Strike Elite White, what do you call it? The Nerf N-Strike Elite White Maverick. You got the little darts loaded in there. So spin it. Let's shoot this baby. This one might be powerful. I'm not sure how big it is, but let's go. Okay, let's do this, and whoa. I see why it won't shoot. Let's do this. Now, this is really weird. This gun's being weird with these illegal darts. I'm gonna go get another. Okay, so we got another one. We got the Nerf Fire Strike. My dad has one, which is the I believe it's the orange elite version, but I'm not sure. He has an orange version of this. He has an orange one. This is an illegal modded dart. So let's shoot this. I would imagine this would be someone is shooting my guns. Right when I went up to the camera to show you guys this, it went up to someone shot one of my guns. That's the illegal bullets loaded into it. Illegal butts. That's weird, but anyways,
Read your bones.
why does the phone always ring while I am recording? That will happen to you. Anyways, this is a Nerf Fire Strike, so let's just get on with this. Okay. Kidding. I was just making noises. Anyways, this is a real deal, and decently powerful, I would say.
That's towing. It's not his truck.
Yeah, I'm recording, but it's okay.
Yeah.
So let's just try this one more time. Whoa! Oh my god, that was awesome. We're gonna try one more gun and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we got the Nerf Zombie Strike crossbow. Pretty good, pretty good gun. Decent gun. And it's so crazy. It's awesome because when it shoots, it shoots literally so fast. It must shoot so hard. Like you don't even see it shoot. It's like a blur. Not even a passive blur. It's like you can't even see it. So let's just shoot this dart, I guess. Shoot this illegal dart. Let's go. Okay. So let's cock this baby up. Let's do this.
He was telling by his cousin. Mercedes.
Okay, ready?
The mom's playing 60 miles an hour. She was
Did you even see that shoot? Wait, I'm not kidding. That did shoot. I'm not lying. See, look. Check so. See, literally. And not only does it shoot so fast, you can't see it in the camera shooting, but it's like that in real life too. I'll even try. I'm gonna get my non-modded dart. Switch it with that dart. I'll shoot that one. Okay, let's see the normal one. Not as much. But, well, I think I'm going to do one more rapid fire gun. One more rapid fire. And then I'll be done. So, again, be right back. Okay, guys, so I'm here with the Nerf. I'm not sure what this is called, but it's a Nerf gun. And I've modded it not only with the Nerf not darts, but I've made it so they're dug in more. And let's dug in more, so they're inside there. They're just more inside there. So, anyways, let's do this. So I'll turn it on. Look. Turn it on and, well, let's shoot this baby. Okay, so I guess let's do this. Ready? Oh, this is so heavy. Wow. On. That is amazing. My God. That's what it sounds like normally without any darts in it. Give it a spin. So let's try that one more time, shall we? But, okay, so let's try that one more time. Okay, let's do this. So,
I'm going to give you
gonna
the
turn
bones
it
to
off.
cook for a little bit if you don't mind, because they're not going to eat it otherwise.
On. And let's do this. Okay, well guys, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe. We'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Before I stop the video, I just want to check something, because remember when we heard that gunshot earlier? I'm not sure what that was, but oh my God, what is that? Is that blood? I think that's blood. I didn't shoot any one of those, so it must be coming from my room. My guns are, some of my guns are in my room, so I guess let's check. Okay, so I guess let's check this. Okay. I don't see anything, but dang! Look at that! See that kind of reddish blur? He died with his eyes open and smiling. Oh my God! I gotta get this out of my room. Okay, well guys, just as I said, I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please why don't you just leave a like if you want to, and subscribe if you wanna. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye. Take care, bye.